Well, I moved to Rio Blanco County over almost 40 years ago. And I've just watched it deteriorate over the years. This school was built in 1892. The restoration of Cold Creek School has made the community aware of how much history is in our area.
And it's pretty exciting because we have a lot of families around here that maybe are up to 5th and 6th generation of ranching communities.
How far outside of Meeker is?
It's probably about 10-15 minutes, unless you get caught in a sheep drive, and then it can be half an hour, 40 minutes. It's a stone building, so we see that they're not just throwing up a shack. It's a building built to last for a long time. That sort of indicates that they had high aspirations for their children to have, great opportunities in the world.
Our main goal is to use it as an educational interpretive center for all ages. We'd like to bring all the students from Meeker School to spend a few hours at a rural school.
Now that it's fully restored, they can actually go in and it looks like the classroom would have looked 100 years before. And they have desks and a wood-burning stove, and it's just a single room, with one teacher. That's what school used to look like. And it had a wonderful group of people that really just put their heart and soul into this project. For people when they're out and about, if they're driving from Meeker to Steamboat, they could take a little 10-minute detour and get to see this wonderful piece of our history.